Hey everyone, I am Adam. Welcome back to BuddyDevelopers. If you're searching for the best web hosting providers in 2025, you're in the right place. Today we'll explore the top 5 hosting services that offer speed, security, and seamless management for your website. Let's dive in. Number 1. Pressable. First up, we have Pressable. This hosting provider is built on the powerful WP Cloud platform by Automatic, ensuring your WordPress site runs smoothly and securely. Whether you're managing one site or thousands, Pressable delivers unmatched performance and scalability. With features like free staging environments, automatic backups, and global edge caching, Pressable handles the heavy lifting so you can focus on growing your business. Pricing starts at $45 per month, but if you pay yearly, it drops to $37.50 per month. Number 2. Bluehost. Next, we have Bluehost, WordPress.org's longest-running recommended host. Trusted by millions of websites, Bluehost offers reliable shared hosting with best-in-class performance. If you need top speed, 100% uptime, and expert support, Bluehost Cloud Hosting is a fantastic choice. With Bluehost, you'll get WordPress pre-installed, a free domain, email, SSL, and built-in CDN. For those just starting, the basic plan is available for only $1.99 per month, while the online store plan is perfect for e-commerce at $7.45 per month. For high-traffic sites, the Pro plan offers advanced storage, security, and backups for $9.99 per month. Number 3. Hostinger. Now, let's talk about Hostinger. With more than 2.5 million clients worldwide, Hostinger offers fast and secure managed WordPress hosting. You get a one-click installer, free domain, SSL, and built-in CDN for a seamless experience. Powered by Lightspeed and Object Cache, your website will run faster than ever. With a 24/7 support team, whether you're a beginner or expert, Hostinger has your back. Their premium plan is just $2.99 per month, while the business plan is $3.99 per month. And the Cloud Startup plan offers optimized performance for $7.99 per month. Number 4. SiteGround. Up next, we have SiteGround. If you're just starting out, their startup plan is perfect for personal projects and small sites, starting at just $2.99 per month. For growing businesses, Grow Big is the way to go at $4.99 per month. And for bigger sites that need more power, GoGeek offers all the features you need for $7.99 per month. Number 5. WordPress.com. And finally, we have WordPress.com. If you need a custom domain and enhanced design tools, the personal plan starts at about $2 per month. For extra features and flexibility, the premium plan is around $3.50 per month. If you want a fully managed WordPress experience, the business plan is approximately $8 per month, while the commerce plan, built for e-commerce, costs around $14.50 per month. These prices are approximate and may vary with exchange rates. So there you have it. No matter if you're a beginner, scaling your business, or managing a high-traffic site, these hosting providers have the perfect plan to match your needs. We also provide WordPress development services, so if you need a customized theme or additional features for your website, we can help. You can hire us at BuddyDevelopers.com by clicking on the Hire Us button. You can also follow us on other social media channels. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such WordPress educational videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.